guys, and welcome to what is the last video of the semester for Digital Communications 1. I had a lot of fun making all of these projects, being able to, make some publications on flyers, billboards, and talking about that. Well, here is my final project. This is a Brownsville Farmers Market flyer that I made. What I did was that I wanted to go ahead and give it that little simplicity, yet with a little bit of autumn vibes, because I don't know. I mean, of course, fruits and veggies just taste better in the autumn time for me. I don't know. Anyway, okay. So going back to this, what I did in order to start up with my project was I found a really cool picture of vegetables to use as my background. So here you guys go. Let me just go ahead and take off everything. Okay, so yes. This is my picture. I thought it was really cool, so I actually wanted to use it as, I wanted to go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and go into free transform. I wanted to go ahead and do this in the beginning, hence I have the orange space. Or the yellowish space, I'm sorry, in the bottom. But then I realized that it looks so much better as a background photo, and so that's why I decided to build up this rectangular figure just so that it could give it a frame. Then put in my logo in the bottom so that it could have a little bit more of that little class that I like. And then I decided to go with one of my favorite fonts, actually. It is the Trajan Color Stamp. And the reason why I like this is because it looks so embedded. So I like the way that it just pops, It makes it look a little bit better when it comes to all of this type of flyers and stuff, because it's really legible, but at the same time you can definitely see the creativity in it. Then I placed in the information, and well, yeah, that's what I did for this one flyer. So this is my billboard. At first I had a little bit of trouble just to figure out exactly what I wanted to do. I mean, I tried everything, like, placing in a wall completely and then the grass in the bottom, but that didn't really work for me as I wanted it to. Then I started to build up an idea of having the fruits and the vegetables for the cows, and even a picture that I had taken a while back of these piggies, but none of that really went with what I wanted. So then I took inspiration from this other billboard that I had seen online, and well, this is what I came up with. I came up with the three things that I wanted to do, which are the cows. The way that I actually grabbed this was by, let me go ahead and show you guys with, I guess, the grass. Yeah, I can go ahead and show you with the grass. Okay, so I went into free transform, then you just go ahead and click CTRL, and you can just go ahead and make a little graph out of it, which I find really, really cool, because, that way I could actually go ahead and use that for some other projects. For example, making some other flyers, or, well, basically anything, honestly. Okay, I was going way off topic in there. Anyway, so yeah, what I really, really like about this is the fact that it let me include my three elements, which are the cows on the top. Then at the bottom, I just went ahead and wanted to do something cohesive with my background for this flyer. So I did the vegetables and the fruits, and then I did my wall, and then the grass, which I find kind of cool looking because it just looks like if you're building up a fence and you're welcoming people in. And then it has the logo, which I really, really like that logo. And it has the information about when it's going to be. So yeah, I mean, I feel really, really good about this. And honestly, if you guys have any other questions, if you want to go ahead and give me a little bit of feedback, I will definitely love that. Thank you so much for looking into my video, and I'm sorry about the fact that I went on rambling, but yeah, here it goes. Thank you.